Ever had a run-in with the notorious Nintendo Switch error code 9001-2471? If so, you know how vexing it can be. But worry not, as we're here to guide you through some easy fixes for this common issue. This error tends to pop up when you're trying to make a purchase from the My Nintendo store. It could be due to an issue with your payment method, incorrect settings on your Nintendo account, or even a hiccup in the Nintendo system itself. Let's delve into the first fix, checking your country settings. This is crucial, as your account's country setting should match your actual region of residence. To do this, you'll need to head to accounts.nintendo.com and sign in. From there, select the User Information option and navigate to the Profile section. Here, you can edit your details and check if your country of residence is correctly set. If not, go ahead and change it. Also, do ensure you're using the My Nintendo store specific to your region. The next step involves your payment method. You need to confirm that the issuer of your card is from the same region as your My Nintendo store. In simple terms, if you're using the US version of the My Nintendo store, your card issuer should also be based in the US. The third fix is to attempt using a different credit or debit card. If this still doesn't resolve the error, you might want to try other payment methods such as PayPal. If all these steps fail to rectify the issue, it might be time to bring in the big guns. Don't hesitate to contact the Nintendo support team and report the problem. So to recap, if you're dealing with the Nintendo Switch error code 9001-2471, you can try adjusting your country settings, ensuring your card issuer matches your My Nintendo store region, using a different card or payment method, and if all else fails, reaching out to Nintendo support. Remember, every problem has a solution, even when it comes to gaming. So keep your gaming spirit alive and don't let these minor setbacks deter you. Happy gaming. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.